What's up YouTube, David Taylor here with Techno Buffalo, and today I'm going to show you guys my top 5 Android apps. Alright, and starting off the list is the Google Play Music app. And now what this is it's a cloud service for music. It lets you stream all your music from the cloud without ever having to have your music take up storage on your phone or on your computer. I'll talk about that in a second as well. But it's basically iTunes Match for your Android device. It's the same service, but it's just made by Google. And I actually like it better than iTunes Match just because they seem to sync all the songs more accurately than iTunes Match, but that's another story. So basically it lets you have all your songs. So I got all my songs in here. It lets you upload 20,000 songs. So now I did the math, and that's about 5,800 gigabytes. So I don't have anywhere near that much, but I'm sure some of you guys do. But this will let you have 20,000 songs up on the cloud that you guys can stream anytime you want, as long as you have LTE, 3G, or Wi-Fi. So now this will use data if you're not using Wi-Fi, obviously. So make sure you guys just stay on top of that and don't go over your limit. But let me just play you guys a song really quick. I think I was playing Aerosmith before, so I'm going to click on this. It'll show you the album. Then you can also click on all songs, and it'll show you all the songs that you have for them. I don't have a whole lot, but then you click on a song, and it'll start playing it right away. I'm not going to play it due to song issues, but either way, it shows you the album work. You can go back and actually go through all of your different artists as well. You get all the artists here. You can scroll to the left, see all the albums, and then all the songs as well. And again, this can hold 20,000 songs, so you guys will basically be able to upload your entire iTunes library. It's all through the Google Play services, so you do have to go on Google's website or get the desktop app to actually start uploading your songs from your computer. But after that, you guys can stream it from your phone, from your tablet, from your computer. You can use it anywhere you want as long as you have an internet connection, and it works great. App number 2 is the Clean Master. Now this is basically just like the CCleaner on your desktop. If you guys have ever used CCleaner, it does exactly the same thing as that. It can get rid of your RAM, get rid of backed up files that you don't need, and all that kind of stuff. It basically clears out the storage of your phones. This is what it looks like. You can go into the history, the privacy, the tasks, or the app manager, and they all do different things, so I'll show you guys each one of those. The history basically shows you all the cache in all of your applications. It shows everything that's been stored from that and what you can actually get rid of. So it scans through all the apps, and then you hit clean, and it'll just actually clear all the cache out for you, and that way it'll clear up memory, it'll clear up some RAM so you guys can use more apps and the phone won't be as slow. So now privacy will actually show you what apps are hiding information. Not really hiding, but it will store information for you. So like you have your SMS, so you can show all your text messages, all your search history, everything like that. So if you want to go in and clear something such as your Facebook passwords or stuff, you click on this and then you go down to the bottom and hit clear data. Since I don't have any, I don't think on here right now, it's not going to clear any data. But on other apps like YouTube, from the search engines or your accounts or anything like that, you can go in and clear the data, and it'll actually erase that stuff from your phone. So if you want to give it to a friend or something like that and you don't want them to mess with your account, you can go in and clear that. It will also clear up some storage as well. So the tasks and the app manager basically just show you what tasks are running at that time, and the app manager just shows you which apps are installed, and you guys can uninstall it that way as well. So this is Clean Master, and it's in the App Store. So app number 3 is PDANet Plus, and now what this does is it lets you use your phone as either a Wi-Fi hotspot or a tethered device so that you can stream your 3G or your 4G internet to your computer or any other device that can pick up Wi-Fi, or you can also use the USB cable to plug it in through USB. And right up there you got USB tether. And then down here you can see activate Wi-Fi hotspot. Now this uses your data connection to actually give other devices internet connection. Now this is free in the App Store, but it does depend on your carrier. I've been using this on Verizon and I haven't gotten any notices about that, but make sure you guys read about your carriers, make sure you see what they say about tethering, and I don't want you guys to get in any trouble about this. But this is one of my favorite apps about tethering. It lets me use it from my desktop if I don't have any internet connection, or on my laptop if I'm out like on the road and I need a Wi-Fi hotspot. I can use my 4G that's on this phone and connect to my laptop and get connected that way. It's really great. It's free. It's in the App Store. Go check it out. App number 4 is iHeartRadio, and now this app has been out for a while, but I have been using it lately, and I do really like it. Since I go to school away from my hometown, and I'm not around my hometown's radio station, DC 101 if you guys were wondering, that's my favorite radio station to listen to. I used to listen to it all the time back home, but now that I'm at school, I can't actually access it. But iHeartRadio actually lets you see other radio stations from around the world actually and connect to them and listen in. So I'm going to hit maybe later on this because I don't want to set up an account right now. So you guys can see down there that I have DC 101 saved. So if I click on that, it'll actually bring me to DC 101's radio station and I can listen in and start listening to them. So if I click on this, it'll start streaming that. I'm going to pause it either way, but this is what it looks like. You guys have probably seen it before. You can like songs, you can dislike songs, and you can actually listen into the radio stations that you're not near anymore. And I use this almost every day because of DC 101, and I've grown up listening to them, so I love listening to them, and I'm really happy that I can get this from away from my hometown. So this is iHeartRadio, and once again, it's free in the App Store. So the fifth and final app is Google Drive, and this is exactly like Dropbox. I'm sure you guys have heard of it before, but the best thing about it is that it gives you 5 gigabytes of data right off the bat. You guys can use it for all of your storage stuff. I use it mainly for school and for sending files to different people, but you guys can see up there I have a school folder. So I write all my class notes on my laptop, and then I sync it through Google Drive. So I'm going to go into my iTech folder, which I have synced one of my classes that I type my notes up on, so I can click on that and actually see what I typed up on my computer on my phone. I can see all my class notes. It really, really helps with synchronizing all my data and all my notes basically from school to all my other computers. It syncs it automatically. You can get it for your desktop as well as your phone and your tablets. It works great. You guys can basically upload any file that you have. I have some videos there. I have a zip folder there as well as a .exe for a driver installer for my laptop, but I use it for everything. I use it for school mainly to sync my notes between my computers. You get 5 free gigs of storage to Google Drive compared to, I think it's 2 gigabytes on Dropbox. You can upgrade that to like 18 gigabytes on Dropbox, but you have to have other email accounts sync up to it and everything. But this gives you 5 gigs right off the bat, and you can start uploading your stuff right away. But this is probably my most used app, Google Drive. I use it on all my devices, and I use it every single day. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Make sure you check out technobuffalo.com for all of your tech news. My name is David Taylor, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks, guys.